Hello. So yesterday on my YouTube channel, I announced that we'll be starting monthly tag challenges. Basically in this, you can participate and submit your code to me. And at the end of the month, I'll review those codes. At the same time, once the challenge is over, I'll submit my solution also. Okay. So that way, at the end of the year, you can have 12 different projects and you can showcase them in your portfolio. Now, along with this, I'll be providing certificates whoever submits a successful challenge. Okay, so for example, in each challenge I have mentioned that these are the criteria that needs to be fulfilled to make sure that the challenge has been submitted successfully. So if you are able to submit those things, I'll provide you the certificate so that you can showcase it to your the hard work that you have done. You can showcase it to anyone. Okay, now the criteria is pretty simple. You have to submit your solution before I create my solution, otherwise I cannot give you certificate. That's one. So basically you have to legit participate in these challenges. And second criteria is those certificates will be in different categories. So first will be that, like, someone who has created the best solution, they'll get that kind of certificate, and someone who has just created a solution but it's not the best, they will get the participation certificate. In either case, it is worth it. Do let me know. That is not the criteria for you to join, but it is something as an add-on from my side. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.